we're getting ready for Halloween, our favorite time of year and our favorite month because it is baby's birthday! Woo! So you will see his birthday celebration coming soon. But today, we're keeping this video chill. We're just cutting up the pumpkins and making a mess! Woo! So we're gonna do that. Enjoy.
It's awfully tasty. Oh. Say good. Say Do you want to try a seed? Want to try another seed? You're so brave. You're so brave, Thomas. Yeah. Is it gonna get you? Just not sure. You're just not sure. Let's plop him on there. Oh! Yeah. Oh, he's doing good. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to. This knife is not going in there. I'm gonna hit it with a hammer because that way we can really bust open this pumpkin. So I think it'll be fun to put pieces of pumpkin in the birds' cages. Oh my gosh. Like, there's pumpkin everywhere, so I'm gonna get the knife again. It seemed to work pretty well. There's no birds right here, so don't worry guys. No birds are in danger. I'm just trying to hammer through this pumpkin. There we go. They don't make these knives. Like, the childproof knives are ridiculous for when you gotta like do serious pumpkin cutting. And then the other knives are too sharp and I don't know, they kind of scare me. So we'll do it this way. We'll just hammer through the pumpkin. Why not, right?
Oh, look at you. Yeah! Nothing like a little hammering when you're carving pumpkins. Yes! Oh, you're so cute. Whee! Woo!
Well, anyways, our pumpkin extravaganza has come to an end. What did you think? You were so brave. Woo! You were so brave, wasn't he? Yeah, you were too. You were too, little pint size. Yes! We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, Puppy's trying to tell you something, so listen up. He's saying don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like this video. Tell me if you think Baby and Puppy are cute and all the other birds. Let me know. Alright, share this video. Happy Halloween. You'll see some more Halloween stuff coming up. And he just sneezed again. We love you guys. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Do you want to say bye?